Hi everyone, I'm Alan Yo from Big Academy Sdn Bhd. So we have more than 10 years of digital marketing experience. We have a lot more than 300 SME companies, corporate company and listed company to help them to be found in Google, ranking #1, reach out millions people in Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to achieve the same results, actually you can refer to our website. We have many success stories. And I believe you can be one of them as well. We have a team that can provide you the services, and we have a group of trainers can train your marketing department, your sales consultant team, how to engage the customer in the social media, how to close sales online. These are the training we provide. And besides that, okay, we also provide you a group of students as your marketer as well. So basically, it's a one-stop marketing solutions and one-stop training solutions for you. So make it a simple one. Let us have a quick 15 minutes meeting. So in this meeting, let me understand your business model, your product and services. And afterwards, I will help you to plan a proposal. And this proposal will be going to help you to achieve your goal in Facebook, Google, Instagram, WeChat, WhatsApp, and so on. So just scroll down in this website, you can see there's a contact form and I can help you to achieve your goal and success in digital marketing. See you in the online meeting.